What's up guys, welcome back to another vlog. Today is the day that we finally get to open up this box. Before I even open up this box, I really want to give a huge shout out, huge thank you to the guys that really helped me get this package. Shout out to brother Jose. He has a GTR as well. He's another battalion brother. If I hadn't get in touch with him, none of this wouldn't even happen. So I also wanted to say shout out to sponsors for this package. Thank you to Charge Speed USA, Charge Speed Japan, and Versus Trading Company. Huge shout out to Donnie. Again, thank you Jose for hooking me up with Donnie. I wouldn't have got this if it weren't for them, so I really have to give my thanks to them. So I actually ordered this package before I even started this YouTube channel, and kind of the reason why I started this YouTube channel was because I felt like I messed up the first time and doing like stage 1 of Project Gzilla, and I never really recorded anything. I really felt like now this time it was something that I should do, and it's something that I really love to do. For Project Gzilla right now, I just did slight performance mods, and then I added like a bunch of carbon on it just to make it look nice, and I changed the suspension, but that's pretty much it. In this box, we have a wide body kit. Now, just to explain, before I even say what it is, we already have a Liberty Walk GTR on the island, and there's only one wide body on the island. I really wanted to do a wide body kit myself, but I kind of wanted to be different in a way. So I didn't want to do a Liberty Walk Type 2, and I didn't want to do the Pandem kit either, or the Rocket Bunny kit, only because it exposes the front tire too much, and granted that Hawaii's roads ain't the best. It wouldn't be that safe for the car because I'd be kicking up a lot of dirt and all kinds of debris onto the side, so that's why I didn't want to do that. What came down to, honestly, was me choosing between the prior design body kit or the Charge Speed body kit. So I chose the Charge Speed Gekisoku wide body kit. And the cool thing is now, and I didn't know this until again I got in touch with Jose, because he has the same wide body kit. I think Dub Magazine released an article about the kit. There's actually only 2 in the US. I'm calling it now, and I'm claiming it before anybody else does. I'm gonna be the 3rd person to have a Charge Speed Gekisoku wide body kit, and we are all in with this build now. There's no turning back because I do have to cut fenders, I do have to weld. So let's open up this box and see what we got. And look who decided to show up.
It's a big ass box.
Dude, it's huge, yeah. It's Christmas in the summer. I'm not gonna lie, I'm scared. I'm just nervous for what's to come.
Well, this just means that we're gonna cut up your car.
Yeah. Cut, weld,
although
no
things
turning
that
back.
you shouldn't be doing to GTR.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Oh, dude, they got a lot of stuff over there.
Decals, real one. 1, 2, 3. Oh, this is nice.
Oh Lord,
Oh,
Jesus.
bruh. What is this?
Front fender.
Front fenders. Okay, how do we take it out
It's too
nicely?
real, man.
How do we take this out nicely?
It's thick.
It's thick, but it's light. Dude. Bro. These are the over fenders. Look how
Thick.
easy. Look at that.
I think it smells so bad.
Even got the stamping and all that in. That's front left, front right. Oh, I think these are the side skirts.
I think
Oh, yeah, we are.
up up. Ooh, okay.
Oh yeah, and by the way, since we have new parts, I am selling my Advent wheels for anyone interested. My Cybon carbon front lip and Cybon rear lip, rear valence as well.
You literally had that on for like 3 months.
I haven't had it, yeah, for like not even a year, bro. Nice. Oh, look at that. See that? Got the little Charge Speed emblem over here too. Fuck it.
I still tripped that they're not as thin as I thought, but it only weighs as much.
Yeah.
Oh,
this is for the
extensions.
Yeah.
Or the
rear, the side,
yeah,
the bottom part.
Yeah, it's the bottom part of the over fenders.
That's cool. Everything is serial number too. Like
Beautiful pieces though.
So if I remember correctly, the front of the kit specified 50 mil extension, and the rear is a 70 mil extension. So
for those of you who don't know, 50 mil is about 2 inches, 70 mil is just under 3. So.
And that's why I'm saying goodbye to my favorite wheels.
You know what you need for a final? Yeah. So we'll lay out everything kind of like, you know, like the jumbo and stuff?
Oh yeah.
And lay down next to it.
Oh.
And take it from like over.
Yeah. Oh, okay, we can do that. Okay.
This is bumper.
Oh yeah, bumper.
This is front. 100%.
Front?
This has to be front.
Or is it on the side?
Because this is what the front of the front fender looks like.
Oh, I see what you mean. Not gonna lie, the quality of this is pretty good. Oh, these are the big ones right here. It's Christmas once again in Honolulu.
You know what's gonna be big when you just look at the fenders.
I know.
It doesn't have to be on the car.
Dude, look how huge
massive.
this is. Look at that.
Absolutely gargantuan.
Wait. So
This, I'm pretty sure, is gonna be driver's side.
driver's side, so it'd be like this.
Yeah. So this will be front.
Oh, I see what you mean. Oh yeah, so for you guys watching too, make sure you guys subscribe, because you think we're gonna send this to a shop? Hell no! We're gonna do it. We're gonna install every bit. We're gonna weld every part that we can, fender seal, all of it. We're gonna do it. And we don't have a shop, so we're gonna do it all in the comfort of my garage. And since we were the first ones to bag an NSX ever on YouTube in a garage, we're gonna follow the trend and we're gonna keep going with it. And we're gonna wide body a GTR in my garage in the hot sun.
Hawaii for you folks.
That's Hawaii, baby.
This isn't. You gotta be kidding me.
That's the whole thing.
It's one piece.
What is that right there in that corner?
That's a great question.
Or is that? Oh, that no, that's the diffuser.
That's the rear.
Yeah, that's the rear.
Holy dude.
God, that's a huge bumper. What is? Oh, is this hardware?
Hardware.
Nah, I should buy proper or
Nice hardware.
better hardware.
Unless they came with good stuff.
Oh, these are
like wires.
These are DRLs. Oh, they gave DRLs.
Ooh, okay. Oh, right here.
Yeah. Oh, nice.
It's
You
almost like the.
it's the ballast, yeah. It
Yeah.
has to be ballast.
It's like
We got
Rocket Bunny.
DRLs.
Rocket Bunny has the same.
Yeah, Rocket Bunny has that too. Thanks, guys. Sweet. You know, I honestly, the reason why in the first phase I didn't want to change the bumper was because the CBA GTRs don't have DRLs. So that's what kind of kept its age, or kept the look up for its age. Now we're running DRLs. So we're running out of space in my living room, but here's all the parts laid out so far. We don't even have enough room for the bumper and the rear valence yet. But look at that. Oh my gosh.
Boy. Oh, I found most of the weight.
Yep, the weight is right here.
Oh boy.
Oh. I think it has to slip out real well. know, is this heavier than the stock one?
I want to say that this probably weighs just about as much. Maybe not heavier, but... Oh, Lord. Oh my God.
Bro! Wait, I gotta see, I can't see.
I got it.
Holy shit.
Dude, this is beautiful right here.
I know.
That's beautiful.
Oh, that's perfect because I can't say it yet.
You know what you need actually right there?
What?
Definitive.
Over here, yeah. Oh yeah, we can put a definitive sticker right here.
Crazy, dude. This feels enormous. And I don't remember your future feeling this wide.
Yeah.
This one I'm gonna say is heavier. This is pretty solidly heavier than the carbon one.
Yeah. Whoa!
It's bigger. I didn't realize what that was until just
The
now.
fin. It has like its own little fins. Oh, that is nice.
That looks straight like Darth Vader.
I know. That's sick. And just like all the little details of like the badging here and there, all the serial numbers on it. This is super sick. Alright, let's put it down. Bruh, look at that. Worst came to worst, for real, I can park my car in the house. I mean, I have to like punch a hole through the walls, but
Solid fit, man.
dude, look at that. Just do a quick walk around of all the pieces. Taped it up. Go, put it in the middle. Like that.
So this is where your door is, so literally.
Yeah. So see right.
Right.
Yeah. We got a racing seat, guys. Side skirt, rear over fender, extension, rear diffuser, right side over fender, left side skirt. Oh my God. Damn!
Literally how you're at dirty. Dude, fucking crazy.
If doomsday comes, I know where I'm storing my car now.
It fits perfectly.
With nothing. Screw the coffee table.
It really
Screw the dining table.
Nah, dude.
Bro.
You're a madman, lad.
Look at that arch. Oh! Oh! Oh shit! No!
Shit.
It's okay, I'm gonna sand it down anyway.
Ah, mine. To be honest, dude, I think it was just a matter of time. Just a matter of time. I think that means you should probably put it on there.
Yeah, now I should put it. Okay, I guess I gotta sign off, guys. I guess you're having too much fun. I gotta get out of the camera now. All right, guys, be on the lookout. We are starting phase 2 of Project Gzilla. Make sure you guys subscribe. Make sure you guys like this video. Make sure you guys share this with whoever you know that's a car guy, that's into cars, or any kind of wrenching, whatever it is. We are building the Charge Speed Geki Soku kit, 3rd in the US, and it's all gonna be done here on Oahu in my own garage. And I'm super excited. I got Aaron helping me, and I got a ton of friends helping me with this build. This is only the beginning, but we in this, guys. Now it's full commitment all the way. See you guys in the next video, and always remember, challenge your standards.